students, welcome to class 7. Today we will study Sanskrit subject. So let's start with lesson number 1, Chitrapadani. In lesson number 1 there are 3 Chitrapadani. Chitrapadani 1, 2 and 3. Here what is the meaning of Chitrapadani? Chitra means pictures and Padani means words. So Chitrapadani means words through pictures. Look at here. This is your textbook. Here in Chitrapadani 1, 2, there are some pictures given and the Sanskrit word is also given below the picture. You can see the words, Sanskrit words with pictures. Okay. First of all, I will read all the words and you have to listen them properly. First, Asandaha. Asandaha means chair. Shyutaha. Shyutaha means bag. Patrabharaha. Patrabharaha means paperweight. Samikaraha. Samikaraha means iron. Brahmanbhashaha. Brahmanbhashaha means mobile phone. Parvataha. Parvataha. Parvataha means mountain. Paryankaha. Paryankaha. Paryankaha means coat. Kataha. Kataha means mat. Dandadipaha. Dandadipaha means tube light. Padapaha. Padapaha means tree. Chashakaha. Chashakaha means glass. Kandukaha. Kandukaha means ball. All these words have visarg at the end. You can see here the 2 dots at the end of each words. Right? These 2 dots is called visarg, as we already learned in the previous class in the 6th standard. Right? These 2 dots is called visarg. All these words ends with the vowel a. Asanda, which is the last vowel. Asanda, a. Shuta, shuta, a. The last vowel is a. All these words end with the vowel a. So the visarg is pronounced as ha. These 2 dots means visarg is pronounced as ha because all these words ends with the vowel a. A. So all these words are called akarant words. When the words ends with visarg and the vowel a, these are called the masculine words, masculine gender. Okay. Now Chitrapadani 2. Chitrapadani 2. Chitrapadani 2. Now look at all the pictures and the words. First word, Nauka. Nauka means boat. रंध्रिका, रंध्रिका means punch. मापिका, मापिका means ruler. पत्रपेटिका, पत्रपेटिका means post box. वृक्षशायिका, वृक्षशायिका means squirrel. अग्निपेटिका, अग्निपेटिका means matchbox. सूचिका, सूचिका means needle. जपमाला, जपमाला means rosary. तुला, तुला means balance. सम्मार्जनी, सम्मार्जनी means broom. योजिनी, योजिनी means stapler. निश्रेणिः, निश्रेणिः means ladder. Okay. Now all these words you can see: nauka, रंध्रिका, मापिका, पत्रपेटिका, वृक्षशायिका, अग्निपेटिका, सूचिका, जपमाला, तुला. All these words are ending with a, ending with a. नौका, a, नौका, a. रंध्रिका, a. All these words nauka, randrika, mapika, a, they are ending with a, right? So they are called akarant feminine gender. The words ending with a, the words ending in a are called akarant words. In feminine gender, the words which are ending with a are called feminine gender. And look at these words: सम्मार्जनी, योजिनी, निश्रेणी, निश्रेणिः. These three words ending with e. सम्मार्जनी, ni, e, ni, e, योजिनी, e, निश्रेणिः, e. All these three words ending with e. So these are called ikarant words. Ikarant words, words which are ending with e, they are called ikarant feminine words. Okay, now चित्रपदानी 3. Let's see the words and the pictures. युतकम, युतकम shirt. उपनेत्रम, उपनेत्रम spectacles. कंकतम, कंकतम. Listen properly, listen carefully all the words with their pronunciation. कंकतम comb. अर्गलम, अर्गलम stopper. पर्णम leaf. व्यजनम fan. आम्रफलम mango. गृहम house. संगणकम, संगणकम computer. द्वारम, द्वारम door. फेनकम, फेनकम soap. वातायनम window, वातायनम window. Now you can see all the words Yutakam, Upnetram, Kankatam, Argalam, Parnam, Vyajanam, Amrafalam, Gruham, Sanganakam, Dwaram, Fenakam, Vatayanam. All these words are ending with You can see the last letter is Halantma. Right? You can see this sign here, Ma. This is called Halant letter. It has not a vowel adding. Okay. So it is said as Halant Ma. Yutakam. All these words are ending with So they are called the neuter gender. The words which are ending with and ending with the vowel they are called neuter gender. Last vowel is so they are called neuter gender. Okay. Now we have discussed about the Chitrapadani 1, 2 and 3 from textbook. Let us look at on the board. Now here Chitrapadani 1, 2 and 3. In Chitrapadani 1, the words in all the words in Chitrapadani 1 are masculine gender and ending with vowel So they are called akarant masculine gender. All these words in Chitrapadani 2, some words in Chitrapadani 2 ending with is like Nauka, Randrika, Mapika, Patrapadika, Vrukshashayika. Some words are ending with and some words is like Sammarjini, Yojini, they are ending with E. They are called feminine gender. The words which are ending with or E, they are called feminine gender. And in Chitrapadani 3, the words ending with Yutakam. And the last letter is the Halantma. The last letters ending with Yutakam, Upnetram, Kankatam, Vyajanam, Sanganakam, Argalam, Parnam, ending with They are called neuter gender, which are ending with So they are called akarant words. Okay. Now you have to write all these words in your notebook and read them properly. Okay. Thank you. We will continue in the next session.